Hello from West Central Indiana. I'm currently at the Turkey Run State Park. Um, it was purchased in 1916 and it has a total of 11 trails, which I believe I'm on the first one. So I have approximately maybe an hour to traverse the remaining 10. Um, Behind me is a beautiful background of this lake. I'm not sure what the name of this lake is. However, there are some beautiful rocks on the contours of it, which makes for a beautiful scenery. Um, so yes, this is a beautiful day of my travel and after work in America. Looking forward to the remaining 10 trails. Thank you.